Okay, this is question number one. I am giving you 2 minutes to solve this question. Please do this question. So, mathematics textbook from class 7th has 320 pages. The chapter symmetry runs from page 261 to page 272. The ratio of the number of pages of this chapter to the total number of pages of the book are these. So, yeah, tell me the correct answer now. And whoever is joined, please let me know your name in the comment box. So, see, total pages are textbook has 320 pages. So total pages are 320, right? And chapter symmetry runs from page 261 to 272, right? So this is the starting and this is the ending page. So first of all, calculate the symmetry total page, symmetry chapters total page, and then find out the ratio with this page to the total number of pages. I am giving you 2 minutes. Do this question. After that, I will be telling you how to solve this type of question. Yes. Okay, okay. Bhadra, you are saying 380. All right. Bhadra, you are saying that the answer is C, right? Sorry, Satvik. Your name is Satvik, right? All right. So, Satvik, you are saying the answer is 380. All right. Anyone else? I can see there are more students than one. Please answer. Please tell me what is your answer in the comment box. So, all right. So see, runs from 261 to 272. So how many total pages are there for symmetry? Yes, 272 minus 261. Is that right or wrong? So when you subtract 272 and 261, then 110, right? So Uh, are you no? Do you know this that this page also covers symmetry? But when we are subtracting this number from this number, we are also subtracting this number. That's why you have to add one in the total number of the symmetry pages, right, Satvika? Right, right. So that would be 12, right? So the total pages for symmetry chapter is 12. Is that clear? And if this is not clear, then you can ask me again. And then the total number of pages is 320. So the ratio would be 12 over 320. Now you can solve this, right? 4 times 3 and 80. So the answer would be C, right? So if anyone has any doubt, you can ask me. Aditya, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So Aditya, is this clear? Satvik, is this clear? Let me know. All right. So if you have no doubt, then moving on to the next question. Question number two. Again, I am giving you 2 minutes to solve this question. So, people of a village take good care of plants, trees, and animals. They mark some land for their pets, cow and ox and plants. Find the ratio of the area kept for animal and plant to the total area of the village. Right? All right. So, do this question. Satvik and Aditya, do this question, beta. See, this is your village. This rectangular box is your village, right? So what is the area for a rectangle? So the area for rectangle is length into breadth or width. So what is length? Length is 25, width is 15, right? So this is your total area and this is meter square. So this is your total area for this, you can say village, right? Now you need to find out the ratio of the areas kept for animals and plant. So plant area is this one, right? And animals area will be this and this, right? Sir, question is not clear. Okay, Satvik. Okay, okay. See, okay. Let me read this question once again. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me again, right? See, people of a village take good care of plants, trees, and animals. So, this line should be clear to you. This is not any difficulty. There should be not any difficulty in this part. Now, they marked some land for their pets, cow, and eggs and plants. That means, let's say you have a village and you have allotted some areas to your plants and you have allotted some areas to your pets. Now, okay, now you have to find out the ratio of the area. So now you have to find out the ratio of two areas. What is that two areas? First, the total area, right? And what is the second area? The second area should be for your and plants and animals. But see, you have to find out the ratio of the total area kept for animals. Okay, okay. Figure is not clear. Okay, beta. So try to understand this part now. See, area for animals. Can you find out this area for animals? So this should be this area plus this area, na? The area for cow and the area for ox, right? So what is the area for cow? That should be L into B plus. And what is the area for ox? That should be pi r square. So is this clear now, beta? Please tell me if this is clear now. Yeah, beta, 7 is the diameter. 7 is the diameter. So now see, L is 6, B is 3 plus pi, or you can put the value of pi here, that is 22 upon 7. So you can use this number here also, 22 upon 7 into what is your R? The diameter is 7. That means your radius would be 7 upon 2, right? Okay, Arsh, you are saying 29 ratio 150. Yeah, Arsh, this is absolutely right. The answer is C, 29 ratio 150. And now this would be 7 upon 2 whole square, right? So this is your area for animals. Now you need to find the area for plants also. And then area for plants would be again L into B, because this is a rectangular shape, that would be 8 into 2, that is 16 meter square, right? Now the total area for animals and plants would be equals to 6 threes are 18 plus, now you can solve this, it would be 22 into 7 over 7, wait, not 7, it should be 2 square, that is, yeah, 2 into 2 plus 16. Now you can solve this, okay, and then the total area of the villages, so village area is equals to 25 into 15 meter square. So now you can find out the ratio. The ratio would be 18 plus 22 into 7, that is 4. Okay, you can subtract this by 11, that means 77 upon 2, that is 77 upon 2. So 2 3s 6, 2 3s are 6, 1 7, 2 8s are 16 plus 1.5, that is 38.5. 38.5 plus 16 upon 25 into 15. Now you can solve this, right? So video is coming in BTW. What are you trying to say, Aditya? Video is coming in BTW. Okay, Satvik. Okay, see, I am doing this question again. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me again. Okay, see, you have, okay, first of all, leave anything. Okay, leave everything. First, listen to this part. You have to first find the area for cows, right? Simple. Find the area for cows. And where is your cow? Here, right? This is area. This is the area for cow, right? This is a rectangular shape. The length is 6, the breadth is 3. Is this clear? So the area for cow would be equals to 6 into 3, that is 18 meter square. Is this clear or not? First tell me this. If this is clear, then try to find the area for oaks. Find the area for oaks. That would be, this is a circular shape, right? Diameter is 7. So what is the area now? The area would be pi r square. That is 22 upon 7 into 2 into 7 upon 2. Why 7 upon 2? Because see, this is square. That means I have to multiply them by 2. We have to multiply them twice, right? And 7, why 7 upon 2? Because diameter was 7. So radius would be equals to 7 upon 2. So is this clear? Now calculate the area for oaks. That would be 7 to 7 cancel out. 2 will 11s. That would be 77 upon 2. That is 38.5 meter square. Is this clear now? Up until this part. Is this clear? If this is clear, then will we move ahead? Now see, you have calculated this part, you have calculated this part, right? Now you have to calculate the plant's area, right? So area for plants now. Area for plant. Now again, this is a rectangular shape now. This is a rectangular shape. So what is the rectangular shape area? That is length into breadth. That is 8 into 2. That is 16 meter square, right? Now add these total areas. Why add these total areas? Because in this question you have to find the areas kept for animals and plants, right? So what are your animals? Cow and ox are your animals, right? What are your plants? Here were your plants. So you need to find the total area kept for animal and plant. That means you have to add all these three areas. So add these numbers, that is 18, 16, 38.5, that is 0.586, 16, 16 plus 6, 22, 2 ratio 3 to 5, 6, 7. That is 72 points. So the total area is 72.5 meter square, right? Right, right, Satvik. So this is clear now. Now see, you have to find this ratio with which area? The total area for the village, right? And if this was your village boundary, that is 25 meter, this is also your village boundary, that is 15 meter. So this is your village, right? So can you tell me the area, total area of the village? That would be 25 into 15, right? Now you need to find the ratio of this and this. That would be 72.5 upon 25 into 15. Now, uh, decimal हटा दो एक zero लगा दो, right? And solve this question. That would be 725 upon 25 into 150, right? And you can solve this. You will be getting the answer equals to 29 ratio 150, right? So if this is clear, tell me, then I will move ahead. Otherwise, if you have any other doubt, you can ask me. Yeah, Aditya, Arsh, and Satvik, is this clear? All of you, is this clear? Tell me if this is clear, then we'll be moving ahead with the next question. Satvik, Aditya, Arsh. Okay. So if this is clear, then here is your next question. Do this question. I am again giving you 2 minutes to solve this question. Okay. First try on your own, then I will tell you how to solve this. Okay. So what do you have to do in this question now? See, the ratio of number of men to the number of women at a concert is 5 is to 3. So the ratio with man to woman is 5 is to 3. The ratio of the number of the woman to the number of children is 2 is to 5. So the number with woman to children is 2 is to 5. Find the ratio of the total number of children to the total number of men and women in the concert. So what you need to find in this question, you need to find the ratio of the children with the total number of women plus men. Now you guys need to find out this ratio. Okay. If this question is clear, Tell me whether this question is clear to you or not. If this question is clear to you, I am giving you 2 minutes. Solve this question. And yes, okay, tell me if this question is clear. Okay, okay, Satvik, if this question is clear, then I am giving you 2 minutes. Do this question. See, you need to find out this ratio. Na? So, first of all, you have to find out the numbers. How would you find the numbers? Let's say, okay, I am erasing this extra info here. Okay, now look at the screen. See, you need to find the number of man plus woman, right? So, first of all, see, okay, let's say your man number, let's say man numbers total number, man total number is 5x. Then what would be your woman's total number? That would be 3x, right? Right, okay. Now see, if your woman number, let's say your total, okay, mm, so, okay, first let me wait for 2 minutes if someone is giving the answer, otherwise I will tell you. I have given you a hint. Use this hint, try to solve this question. So, if anyone is solving or not, Arsh, Satvik, Aditya, are you guys solving the question? Alright, so what is the answer, guys? Okay, see, there are two methods to solve this question, right? First of all, you can do one thing. There are two ratios now. Make them in one ratio, right? How would you do them? See, what is the common number in here? The common number is of woman, right? So you can do one thing, make the woman number same, right? There is 3, here is 2. So what will you do? Multiply this with 2, multiply this with 3, right? So now what is your man and woman ratio? That is 10 over 15, right? What is your woman and children ratio? That is 6 over 15. Sorry. Yeah, okay, I have see this should be 6, right? Yes. This should be 6 and this should be 15, right? So now what is the ratio of man, woman with children? That is going to be 10 ratio 6 ratio 15, right? Is that clear? Now use this strategy over here. So if the total number of men's are 10x, then the total number of women's going to be 6x, and then the children's total number going to be 15x. Is that right? Is this right? Right. Now you need to find the ratio of number of children. So what is the ratio? Sorry, what is the number of children? The number of children are 15x upon now total number of women and men. So what is the number of women and men? That's it 10x plus 6x, right? So 10x plus 6x. Now solve this, it would be 15x over 16x. X to x cancel out, your answer should be 15 upon 16. That means A is the right answer. Okay, Satvik, is this clear how 15 ratio 16 is the right answer? Is this clear to you? Is this clear to everybody else? Satvik, Arsh, Aditya, yes, 15 upon 6, 15 ratio 16, right, is the correct answer. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Again, I am giving you 2 minutes to solve this question. Solve this question. So what you guys need to do in this question, see, Sachin is younger than Rahul by 4 years. If their ages are in the respective ratio 7 is to 9, then how old is Sachin? You guys have to do this question. See, this is very simple. Let's say Rahul age is X, right? Then what is Sachin's age? Sachin age should be, see, Sachin is younger than Rahul. That means Sachin age is less than Rahul. That means if Rahul age is X, Sachin age should be X minus 4, right? Is this clear? If their ages are in the respective ratio 7 is to 9, that means x minus 4 over x is equals to 7 upon 9. Then how old is Sachin? Now solve this equation, do the cross multiplication and solve this equation and tell me Sachin's age. I am giving you 2 minutes. Okay, okay. Satvik is saying 14 years. Yes, Satvik, 14 is the correct answer. Let other answer also. Yes, Ars, have you done? And who else is there? Please do this question. Okay, so now let me do this question. See, you have to cross multiply now. So 9 into x minus 4 would be equals to 7x. That is 9x minus 36 is equals to 7x. 9x minus 7x would be equals to 36. That is 2x is equals to 36. That means x value is 36 over 2. That is 18, right? Now, if x is 18, that means x minus 4, that is 18 minus 4, that should be 14. So 14 is the correct answer. Is this clear to everybody? If this is clear to everybody, drop a yes message in the comment box. Then we'll be moving to the next question. Okay, moving on to the next question. The area of the rectangle ABCD below is 180 centimeters square. Alright, that means the area of this rectangle. Okay, let me write area of rectangle ABCD is 180 centimeters square. Okay. EF divides the rectangle into two equal parts. See, if EF is dividing the rectangle into two equal parts, sir, is my method correct? 9x minus 7 is 4, 4x equals 7, 7x equals to 14. Okay, Satvik, what have you done better? Let me see. Let me check first. 9x, 2x equals to 4, x equals to so 7 into x will be 14. But what have you done like in the previous question? How you have done this? Yeah, beta, this is also correct. Yes, Satvik, this is also correct. See, their age ratio was this now. So let's say Sachin age was 7x and Rahul age was 9x, right? So if this is their ages and the question says that the Sachin is younger than Rahul by 4 years. That means if you subtract 9x from 7x, oh, sorry. If you subtract 7x from 9x, then this should be equals to 4. And now if you solve this 2x would be equals to 4 and x value is 2. Now you can substitute 2 here, then 7 into 2 will be 14 and 9x would be equals to 18, right? Satvik, your method is also correct. Okay. So, okay, now moving on to this question. See, if EF divides the rectangle into two equal parts, that means if EF is dividing this rectangle into two equal parts, that means if the total area was 180, that means this should be 90 and this rectangle should be 19 centimeters square, right? Right? Any doubt up until now? If you don't have any doubt, then we'll be moving to the next part of this question that says that if dp is equals to pq, that means dp, where is dp? Here. This dp is equals to pq, right? They both are equal. N is equals to QC, right? Is equals to QC. Find the ratio of the area of triangle DFQ. Where is triangle DFQ? Here. Triangle DFQ. That this area. Triangle DFQ. Right? And what is the other one? The area of triangle DEF. Triangle DEF. Right? So I am giving you 2 minutes to do this question. Guys, do this question. Okay. So you guys have 2 minutes. Harsh, Satvik, please do this question. So remember this one thing. What is the area of a rectangle? Area of a triangle is half into base into height, right? Try to make something that is common in this area and this area, because you have to find out area of triangle DFQ upon area of triangle DEF. So put the values here. So the value is half into base into height. Let's say this is B1, this is H1. Then upon half into B2 into H2. That means half to half cancel out. This is B1 into H1 over B2 into H2. Now see, let's say the base for this triangle is this, right? If this is the base, then this should be the height, the altitude height. Why this would be the altitude height? See, this is a rectangle and these are the midpoints. That means this line is perpendicular to this line. Okay, that means this is the altitude height, right? So now I can place this over here. So B1 into H1 is equals to what is base? DE. What is height? That is EF. Now upon B2 into H2. Now let's say this is the base. Okay, if this is the base which is DQ, then what is the height? The height should be this now, because this is the altitude height here now. So this should be ED. Now see, DE to DE cancel out. So you will left with EF over DQ. Now see, in the starting of the question, this is told to us that this height, this distance, and this distance is equal. And so, see, this is a rectangle. That means this whole distance or whole length will be equals to this whole length. And this length is divided into three equal parts. Let's say this is x, this is x, this is x. That means this would be 3x, right? So now we have to use only this. This is 2x, then 3x over 2x. X to x cancel out. The answer should be 3 upon 2. So the answer is 3 upon 2. Any doubt? How ED? Okay. Beta see ED. Okay, you are asking. Okay. So beta, okay, let me raise this part. See, you have this triangle. Which triangle? DFQ. DEF. Sorry, DEF. This one. And ratio of DFQ. DFQ. Okay. Find out the ratio of the area. Triangle DFQ. DFQ over DFQ. Wait a second, beta. I think we. Okay. I think I have put it the value like. Okay, beta, reverse this because we need to find this upon this, but we have found this upon this. Okay. See. Okay, let me do this question from here. Okay. Okay. First of all, triangle DFQ over triangle DEF. So where is DFQ? DFQ, right? So this is the triangle. Now beta see. This is your rectangle, right? This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So can you tell me where should be the height? Wo- Okay, beta, I am explaining this once again. See here. This is the height now. See, in a rectangle, if you know what is the rectangle's property, that each angle should be 90 degree, right now. and you have given that ABCD is a rectangle. That means all the angles here should be 90-degree. Is this clear or not? And when you try to find out the area of a triangle, you will look for a altitude height. Now, altitude height means which is perpendicular to the base. It so is this clear or not? Right? Is this clear? Now, beta see, this is the midpoint of AD. This is also the midpoint of FC. That means this FC is equals to ED, na? Right? This FC should be equals to ED. So whether I write FC or whether I write ED, it won't make any difference, right? That means the area of triangle DFQ should be equals to half into base. What is base? Base is DQ. What is height? Height is FC. But FC is equals to ED. So I can write ED na upon. Now triangle DEF half into base. DEF, right? So half into base. Let's say this is the base. Base is ED. So what is the height? Now this is again 90. So height would be EF. Now you can substitute this, and you will left with DQ over EF. Now beta see DQ. DQ is up until now, and you know that this, and this is equal. But also see this EFCD is a rectangle. Alright, this is a rectangle. That means this side is equals to this whole side. Right, now see, this side is divided into three equal parts. Let's say this is x, that means this is also x and this is also x. But DC is equals to EF, that means 3x is equals to 3x. Right, so that means dq is only 2x, ef is equals to 3x, x to x cancel out, 2 upon 3 is left. So the answer should be 2 upon 3, or you can say 2 ratio 3. Is this thing clear or not? Okay, Satvik, is this question clear to you? Okay, tell me, Satvik, is this question clear? Okay, Arshpreet, this is clear. Okay. So Satvik, you also tell. Okay, okay. Now do this question. This is very simple. Again, 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes to solve this question. 55% of 1000 divided by 60% of 2000 equals to k ratio 2k plus 2. Then find the sum digits of k. First, you need to find out the value of k, and then you need to add those two digits. Okay? Do this question. Okay, see, 55 upon 100 into 1000, right? Divided by 60 upon 100 into 2000 is equals to k upon 2k plus 2. That is 20 to 20 cancel out. 20 to 20 cancel out. That is 50, 550 upon 6 into 2, 12. 100 is equals to k upon 2k plus 2. Do the cross multiplication. Or before doing the cross multiplication, wait. Uh, Before doing the cross multiplication, cut out the zeros here and say 5 times 11 and 5 to the 10, 5 fours are 20, that is 24. That is, this is 11 over 24 is equals to k upon 2k plus 2. Now do the cross multiplication, right? So, okay, I am doing here. 11 2k plus 11 times 2k plus 2 is equals to 24k, that is 22k plus for 22 is equals to 24k. Using the transposition property, 24k minus 22k, that is 22 is equals to 2k, that means k value is 11, right? Now see, you need to find the sum of the digits. What is the sum of the digit? 1 plus 1, that is 2. So B is the correct answer. Is this clear? If this is clear, then we should move on to the next question. Tell me if this is clear. Okay, so you have doubts, Satvik? What doubt do you have, beta? Okay, Satvik, you have written no, sir. Why? Do you have any doubt? Or are you writing that you have no doubt? Sir, not clear. बेटा क्या प्रॉब्लम है देखो इसमें फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द 55% ऑफ 1000 दैट इज 55 अपॉन 100 सर काइंडली वैल्यू okay beta I am repeating this again see this now you have to find 55% of 1000 so that is percent means 1 upon 100 right you know this is very basic now 55% of 1000 that is 55 upon 100 into 1000 now dividing by 60% of 2000 that is 60 upon 100 into 2000 and this is equals to k ratio 2k plus 2 k ratio 2k plus 2 now see 20 to 20 cancel out this should be 550 20 to 20 cancel out 60 into 120 60 into 20 that is 1200 now you have to sir k की value. Okay, beta. Okay, I'm telling you. See now you when you will divide this fraction or ratio by the common factor. You can see 5 will divide 550 and 5 will also divide 1200. And when you solve this, you will be getting 12 upon 24 is equals to k upon 2k plus 2. Now do the cross multiplication. 11 into 2k plus 2 will be equals to 24k. Now this is a distributive property multiplication and distributive over addition. That means you have to multiply 11 with 2k here and then 11 with 2 then you will end up with 22k plus 22 is equals to 24k now use the transposition property put 22 here and you have to change its sign that is 24k minus 22k now this is 22 here so 24 minus 22 that is 2k now you can divide both hand side with 2 and you will end up with k value which is 11 right k value is 11 but see you have to find the sum of the digits of k so if k is equals to 11 what is the sum of the digit that is 1 plus 1 that is 2 right so is that's why 2 is the correct answer is this clear to you if this is clear then we have to move to the next question. Sir, when should we use cross multiplication? Beta, see, you can use cross multiplication in this case only. You can use this use cross multiplication only. But why did I divide this first by because I have to make this equation simple, right? If you wanna use here, you can use here also, right? You can use anywhere. But see, if you are using your cross multiplication here, then there will be a big number 550, 1200. You have to do a lot of calculation. That's why I have to first I have substituted them into a small factor and then I have used the cross multiplication. Is this okay? Okay, clear? Okay. Now do this question, beta. Again, 2 minutes. This is very simple. I won't give any hint in this question, and neither I will do this question. This is very basic. You tell me the answer for this. You have 2 minutes. Okay, so you have to find out the ratio of 80 gram and 1/2 kg. 425. Okay. So yeah, 4 ratio 25 is the correct answer. Good, beta. Now do this question. Again, 2 minutes. See, I have yeah, we have done this type of question now. So you can do this. AB is 2 is to 3, then you have to find this ratio. AB is equals to 2 is to 3, and then you have to find 3A plus 2B upon 5A plus 3B. How would you solve this? Let A is 2x, then B would be equals to 3x. Put this value here. That is 3 into 2x plus 2 into 3x over 5 into 2x plus 3 into 3x. That is 3 into 2 is 6x plus 2 into 3 is 6x over 5 into 2 10x plus 3 into 3 9x. That is 6 12x over 19x. X to x cancel out, so the answer should be 12 over 19. Is this clear? 12 over 19. Right, beta. 12 over 19 is the correct answer. Okay. So moving on to the next question. Do this question, beta. Yeah, yeah, Satvik. 12 over 19 is the correct answer. Now do this question. Again, you have 2 minutes. Okay, so Sonali invests money in three different schemes for 6 years, 10 years, 12 years. Okay, let's say this is your scheme number one, scheme number two, scheme number third. Okay, so what did she invest into? 6 years, 10 years, and 12 years. 6 years, 10 years, 12 years. At how much interest? 10%, 12%, and 15%. 10%, 12%, and 15% at a simple interest respectively. Okay. At the completion of each scheme, she gets the same interest. What is the ratio of her investments? Right. You have time, you have rate, and what other thing you need to have to calculate SI. SI formula is PRT upon 100 na. So you have rate, you have time, you need and see SI is equals to for all the schemes. That means SI1 is equal to SI2 and SI3 is also equal, right? That means you need to find the principal value. Okay, you need to find the investment in the ratio. That means you have to find the P1 ratio, P2 ratio, P3, right? Is this thing clear? If this is clear, then you can do this question. Tell me whether this is clear to you or not. If this is clear, please tell me. Now, how would you do this question? First of all, see, simple interest is same, right? See, the question says is that सर P क्या होगा बेटा वही तो फाइंड आउट करना है P क्या होगा देखो इसमें क्या है कि आपका ना इंटरेस्ट सेम है तीनों स्कीम्स में राइट ओके अर्श इज सेइंग 3:2:1 okay 3:2:1 now Arsh, can you please check once again okay now see si1 is equals to si2 and si2 is equals to si3 okay let me write first this si1 is equals to si2 right now see what is SI formula that is P1 into R1 into T1 upon 100 is equals to P2 into R2 to T2 upon 100. Now 100 to 100 cancel out. P1 upon P2 is equals to R2 T2 upon R1 T1. Is this clear? If this is clear, then put the values. Then R2 value is 12 into T2 is 10 upon R1 is 10 into T1 is 6, right? So 10 to 10 cancel out 6 to 2. So your P1 ratio P2 is equals to 2:1. Is this thing clear? Okay, if this is clear, then do the same step with Si2 to Si3. Repeating the same step, you will be getting Si2 is equals to Si3. That means P2 R2 T2 upon 100 is equals to P3 R3 T3 upon 100. 100 to 100 cancel out. P2 upon P3 is equals to R3 upon T3 R3 T3 upon R2 T2. Now what is R3 value? R3 value is 15. What is T3 value? That is 12. What is R2 value? That is 12 again. And what is T2 value? That is 10. So 12 to 10 cancel out. So this is 3 upon 2, right? That means P2 upon P3 is equals to 3 upon 2, right? Okay. Now you need to find out the ratio of P1 to P2 to P3, right? How would you do that? So see, which number is common here? P2 is common in both the terms. See, here is 1, here is 3. So make this number is 3. How would you do that? You have to multiply this with 3. So if you are multiplying 3 here, you have to multiply 3 here. So P1 over P2 is now 6 upon 3, right? And P2 upon P3 is 3 upon 2. So P1 ratio, P2 ratio, P3 is equals to 6 ratio 3 ratio 2. That means A is the correct answer. Is that okay? Okay, Arsh, you have got the answer. And Satvik, is this clear, beta? Satvik, is this clear? Satvik, is this clear? Good, Arsh, you have find out the answer. Okay, beta. See, okay, I am telling you how do you have to calculate, right? If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box again. See, first, you have three schemes. First, listen to me. What is the question, right? You have three schemes and you have invested up to 6 years, 10 years, 12 years, right? And what is the rate? 10%, 12%, 15%, right? And at the end of the year, you are getting the same interest in all the three schemes. That means your interest should be same in all three schemes, right? So if your interest is same, that means your uh, if your interest is same, that means SI1 is equals to SI2 is equals to SI3, right? That means PRT upon 100 should be equals to PRT upon 100 should be equals to PRT upon 100, right? 100 to 100 to 100 cancel out, right? Now, if you look closely, you just have to put the values of R1, R2, R3, right? If you can do that, you will be you will be solving the question. See now, look at here. This is 1, 1, 1. This is 2, 2, 2. This is 3, 3, 3. That means P1 R1 T1 is equals to P2 R2 T2. That is P2 upon sorry P1 upon P2 is equals to R2 T2 upon R1 T1. Now put the values. What is the values? And you will be getting up to 2 ratio 1. P1 upon P2. Now whatever you have done with this, you have to you have to do the same thing with this, and you will end up with P2 upon P3 as 3 ratio what was the 3 ratio 2, right? Now just make them into one now. P2 is common, you have to convert this P2 into 3, so you have to multiply this with 3 and this with 3, and you will having 6 ratio 3 ratio 2. So even if you have any doubt now, you can just see the recorded version. Okay, beta? Because see, time doesn't allow us to make any more questions. Okay. Okay. If this is a Sunday bonus question for you all. Take a screenshot of it and do it on your own. Okay. Okay, guys, take a screenshot of this part and we'll meet again on the next Sunday. So take a screenshot of this question. Okay, guys. Okay, Satvik, everything is clear. Everything should be clear now. If you have any doubt, beta, you can see the recorded version, right? So you guys did great. See you next week. Okay, guys, thank you.